We are just got finished detailing this beautiful Cessna 182. Just got back from a trip covered in bugs all across the wings here and down the leading edge. Really dirty. A lot of cleaning, a lot of polishing, but we got it all looking real smooth and nice now. You see those wings, how nice they look, below it, above it, everywhere, all up in the flaps and everything. Got it super clean. See how nice and clean it is all up in there. Very nice, very pretty purple, purplish blue. There's a real nice color to it. Now when we detail your airplane, a lot of people just do kind of a quick wash. We could do it a few different ways. We can actually steam clean the whole airplane, which doesn't include any water, so we can actually do it right here in your hangar for you. We can wash it outside if you'd like and get a real good wash on it. If you just have a few bugs on you just need cleaned off, we can just do a real good waterless wash and just wipe all the bugs off of it and get it real clean for you. And a lot of competitors don't do the whole up underneath of it. We'll actually slide up under there with creepers, and we will get every bug and every piece of grease and everything out of the bottom of the airplane, on the belly of the airplane, get it all nice and clean and degrease it all. Got all that taken care of. Windshield is the most important. You got to be able to see to fly, so get that windshield really nice and clean, and just get it all back together. And since I actually am a pilot also, and just soloed and with my student pilot's license and almost my private pilot's license, I know how careful you have to be when you detail an airplane. And I know all the different pieces on the outside of the airplane you got to be really careful with, especially that pitot tube and your static. We got the whole airplane completely nice and just polished out beautifully. Came out very nice. Just doing a quick walk around, just showing you everything about it, and all up underneath the airplane as well, just how pretty it looks. Got the wheel shoes all nice and cleaned up as well. We'll come back to the interior in just a second. And we bring all our ladders and everything to be able to get up on the rudder and the tail and get all that nice and clean all the way up. Don't want any dirt and grease getting anywhere. Want to be able to make sure it's all removed and properly cleaned. And same thing all the way back, real nice and super clean. We pay attention to detail, and we like your airplane to be a mirror image. And inside, he's got the really nice G1000, dual G1000s. Every pilot that's got an airplane wants these in here. It's just amazing avionics. We got it all really nice and clean in here. Got all the fingerprints off the touch screens. Got every little button all dusted and clean very nicely. Kind of hard to tell, it's kind of dark in here. Windshield's nice and clean. We did a leather conditioner on the seats. Got them real nice, so when you take off, you actually literally slide in the back of that nice comfy seat. Alright, get the back all nice and clean. All very nice. Cleaned out all the dust in the little air filter, the air vents. Windows clean. Came out very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna come back over here. And little airplanes, cargo area. Not much, but it's enough. Get a little bit of luggage in there. We did a real good steam cleaning on the seats, and we cleaned all the headsets professionally as well. Got all the sticky sweat out of all of them and make them real nice and comfortable, make them feel like brand new again. And that's it on the Cessna 182. Here soon we're going to be doing a CJ3 Citation jet and doing a full detail. That's going to take us a couple days, but we're going to get that thing completely redone and make it look beautiful inside. And even do a little bit of touch-up paint on the switches inside the CJ3 as well. So, all right. Well, that's that. And that completes the Cessna 182 full detail. If you need your airplane cleaned and detailed, just give us a call. Thank you all for tuning in. Appreciate you all.